Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to do a little project. Yeah, and I'm gonna make a meep from Roblox. You know, those meeps that you adopt in Meep City and stuff. I'm gonna make one with Play-Doh today. So let's get started. You will need a piece of paper, Play-Doh, a black marker, and a little tub of water. Let's get started. So first you want to make your Play-Doh ball. You can make it, you can do whichever color of Play-Doh you want. I'm doing Play-Doh, but you can make like with clay and you can make the eyes and stuff, but because I don't have white Play-Doh and I don't have clay or dry clay, I'm just gonna make it with Play-Doh, and because I just have red Play-Doh lying around the house, and my meep, of course, it's pink. I don't know why, and it's not red, but yeah, I'm just gonna use red. Now let's get started. First, you will want to make your little Play-Doh ball into a Play-Doh blob into a ball. I'm just gonna do it right here and stuff. I'm actually gonna cut for right now. Next, you want to make the meep's eyes. Right now, before I did the video, I already made the eyes, and we're not gonna be cutting out the mouth because that would be too hard. I'll be just trying to draw it on the ball. So I'm just gonna cut this out. So I'm gonna cut it for right now and just draw it on a piece of paper right there. I just failed. Right here I did it well. So I'm a cut. And I made the meep eyes. And it's just gonna go right there. See? Oh, so cute. And I'm gonna cut those white pieces off, like, you know, those like around the black. I'm gonna cut it right now. So yeah, bye bye for now. For right now, and then I'm gonna just cut. And I'm done with the meep's eyes. I cut some of the pieces off, and as you can see, it's pretty cute. And I'm gonna use the water. So I'm not gonna cut, I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm actually gonna put it on the Play-Doh ball. See, on the Play-Doh ball, not on the paper. I'm scared, I don't know why. And by the way, this will make your meep's eye, the paper wet, but it will dry soon. Again, you could just use glue. Well, I didn't say it, but you could just use glue. But I don't have glue lying around the house. I'm just gonna use handy dandy water. I'm gonna stick it on there. Try to. There you go. I'm just gonna, I drew the mouth earlier before I cannot just go to Google, and then the recording will stop. And I'm not just gonna use my mom's phone, so I'm just gonna fix it a little. I'm gonna cut. Wait, why did I even fix it if I'm not gonna, oh well, never mind. And I'm gonna try to put it here, or else I just but there was a point for doing that, so if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna cut that one off. It's beautiful. Okay, bye-bye for now, even though it's not gonna take forever. And there you go, your own little meatball. Meep, not me. Oh, it's so blurry. Focus. I guess you could see it a little. There you go. Now, bye-bye for real. We didn't need that much water, but whatever. And you could actually make accessories and stuff with more Play-Doh and stuff. I don't know. Or with paper. Or I think I'm just gonna put a little monkey on the top. I don't know why. So yeah, this was a quick 5-minute video and some 10-20 seconds. I don't know. So bye-bye. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. Bye-bye.